What's up, guys? So today, you are not going to believe it. If you've been following me, there was a video I did a while ago where I brought my truck into the dealer. I actually brought it in 2 other times for this. The first time, I had brought up that the driver's side wiper arm is contacting the underside of the hood, and then I have the dreaded 2019 Ram rear window frame that's cracked. They submitted that. Didn't hear anything back for a week or two. I called them back multiple times. Finally was told, oh yeah, we need pictures. Okay, so I drove the truck back there probably 3-4 weeks ago now at this point, and she took pictures with the tape measure in the picture, because apparently they want like a ruler in the picture so they can see how big the defects are, which I don't see why that matters. It's hitting and it's cracked, so fix it. And so then I tried really hard. I called them every day for a week and trying to get my truck in, because I wanted to get it in while I was in Florida for 9 days or 10 days, however long I was there, so I didn't have to worry about a rental. Well, they dragged their feet, still hadn't heard anything back, didn't answer my calls. I got back from my Florida trip and called a week later, and lo and behold, she told me they need to have pictures taken with a ruler again, and I just about lost it and said, we already did that. So now I'm on my way to work. It's a Friday right now when I'm filming. I left the house 2 hours early. I have to go the opposite direction of my house a half hour to have them take pictures to submit this for the 3rd time, and then go to work back the other direction. So if this doesn't get pushed through, it's gonna hit the fan. And on top of it all, they don't even have any loaner vehicles available for when they finally do get this approved, because of the whole stupid COVID thing. They don't want multiple people driving around in vehicles, but hell or high water, this is getting done. If they don't get this pushed through, I'm not even gonna bother getting that crap fixed, because I'm already halfway through my lease. Of course, there's signs up, stay outside, we'll be out shortly. We'll see about that. Hey there. So this is actually my 3rd time back for this. Last time I was here, I was dealing with, I think it was Kelly. She had taken pictures, because my driver's side wiper arm hits the underside of the hood.
Okay.
She had taken pictures with like a tape measure, and then my rear window frame is cracked. She did that too. And so they submitted it one time, then they came back and said, we need pictures. Then I stopped by, she took pictures, submitted it, and I was trying to get a hold of her for like 3 weeks. And then she said that they're telling her she needs pictures again. So this is our 3rd round at trying to get it.
Let me go grab Kelly.
Shut down the old gas hog. Straighten her out a little bit first though, in case someone actually does need to get inside the door.
Alright, pop the hood. Like, for some reason they're not turning out for her. Are you the passenger side?
Driver's side here. Driver's side? Yeah, you can see on the arm itself where it's hitting, but it's really hard to see on the hood itself, just the,
yeah, that's
position.
Where she was having the problem.
You can feel it, but can't really see it.
Oh. Yeah, that's gonna be a freaking nightmare, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, even with the hood pop, just because the hood doesn't open, you know, all the way up to here. Can't believe they're giving you guys so much flack for it. Like, man, are you kidding?
You would not believe what. And it's like every time you get a system down that they want, then they go and add more. It's like, oh yeah, I guess that was too easy for you. We want to be able to decline more of them. So
right. Yeah, maybe they want an actual ruler, not a tape measure. So I see you got a real one this time. We'll see. They like to keep telling her that they need a ruler in the picture. What's that?
Both the ruler and the picture.
Oh.
Now I'm understanding.
It's like, man, you don't need a ruler to see that it's hitting the hood, you know what I mean? Would it help if I like were to shine a light on it or grab a glove and hold anything for you?
Oh, it's just... Oh, this is ridiculous.
Oh, you're trying to do like a mirror shot, basically?
Yeah. Selfie shot, if I can.
Can I go into the door today, or?
What are we doing today?
They did a recall on the, something, and they left something hanging out at the bottom. They told me to bring it back, and then just plug it back up or whatever.
Let me grab.
You might not even need to go in. It could be. Nice shot.
Gotta also have some comeback warranty deals to figure out. The black's hard to keep clean. I like that red too.
Yeah, it's just pretty good. Only thing I didn't like about it is that after I got that 3M film, I can see it pretty good.
Did you get on the whole front or what?
Well, it's both.
Oh, yep. All right, I see. Yeah. Yeah.
I think the black would have hit it a little bit better.
Possible, but yeah, I mean, you're better off though, because now at least you're a little more protected from them. I don't have any of that, so I got some little paint chips on the front bumper and stuff.
You've
I
just
think.
done a recall on it, or left something loose, or
Yeah, I called.
I cannot get a focus picture.
I was gonna say, yeah, through the windshield, probably no better, huh?
No, I know. You can just see the worn, where the metal's like worn away.
I say the only angle I see is if you have like the phone resting on the windshield, but then I suppose it's too close to focus, huh?
I can get a picture, and it shows a little. You can't get it.
I can get a good. You got a ruler? I can get a good picture of that.
What kind of repair? What kind of repair?
I mean, what's off? What came off it?
That's what I'm wondering, like,
Concerned, you know, what
because
happened
I was gonna look at a newer truck and see it, because I thought the newer trucks had a more like rounded, maybe more slim wiper arm, because it looks like it's adjusted fine, like it's not like it's sitting
Right.
high, and I think it doesn't.
It was open. See, you see where that notch is in the hood? That wiper blade was all the way up.
Well, the wiper was up, yeah, but
Well,
the hood was
It
not
hits
up.
when it goes full stroke.
Yeah, when you got it on high, like when they're really working, that's the only time it hits.
So when the hood is shut,
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm concerned. What? I mean, definitely. Yeah.
Well,
we
it
can
would be a
fix
hood adjustment at that point.
Well, is the hood way up?
That's the thing, it's not. You look at it and the body lines are perfect, and that's why I'm like, is there a new wiper update? Like, what is going on here? Am I the only guy going down the highway with his wipers on high?
You
Like-
are. No.
We use delay or Rain-X here.
I don't know, you know. I don't. Does that one look the same?
Yeah, it looks like the same damn arm.
I don't know if that's a 19 or a 20 though.
But yeah, I mean, it's not showing. I mean,
I'm gonna check this
What
one.
year is this one?
That's a 19.
So look at these. Look at this.
So I wonder.
Now the 19 and 20s are going to have the same. This has got a little slanted.
Yeah, see what I mean?
Yeah.
It looks a little different to me, and I wonder if that's why.
They don't have.
Because mine doesn't have that, does it?
What's your passenger side like? They didn't flop them at one point, did they?
Not that I'm aware, but look at the passenger one is still square, and the driver's one they rounded, so they must have problems with that.
Right. Well, what I was
But
thinking
yeah.
is on yours, they
Oh,
didn't.
I don't
do
think
that,
so.
did
We'll,
they?
we'll have to check, but I think mine are both squared off.
Are they? Okay.
if you have a key ignition, you
No,
can't
that's what
push
they
it.
did.
So yeah, there's a new there's a
The-
new wiper arm.
The wiper arms are flopped. That's why it's hitting. The two
this-
wiper arms should be on each
They're
side.
on the wrong sides.
Yep.
They must have built it that way, because I don't think you guys have ever had these off for
You
any
ever had a
reason.
windshield done or anything?
Ooh.
Whoever did your windshield,
It
put
says
them on.
Mopar glass on it though. But has the windshield been replaced?
That's a replacement Mopar glass.
Yeah, it has actually.
So that's what happened. Whoever did your windshield put the arms on backwards.
Unbelievable.
Good
So,
catch.
that's why he's the boss.
so I have to contact them then, probably.
Yes.
Oh boy. All right. Well, now that that issue's been resolved, that makes sense. We still have the rear window frame that's cracked.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Joe will get that in for you.
Thanks for that, man. Hopefully that one's a little easier, huh?
Oh, yeah. Of course, it's black and it's dark and it's a shadow.
What if, let's say I can maybe get a light or something.
Nope, I actually got that.
Yeah, that one I'm not sure, because you'd think that they'd be able to replace just the plastic, but I watched some other guy's video and they replaced like the whole rear glass and everything.
Yeah, it's
so
all one piece.
Is it?
Yes. I mean, you have any sliding issues or cable issues on that sliding window, it's the whole assembly.
Oh, dang.
Come on.
God, I can't believe that stupid wiper. Way to go, windshield guy.
All right, I think I got that.
All right. So, do you need anything else from me then?
No,
or?
that should be it. I'll get these over to her and we'll...
I assume it'll probably be a good week or something.
Well, everything's at Snail Place. Our warranty admin who processes this is on kind of a part-time basis. She's coming in a day and a half a week. So, and it generally takes a couple of attempts for her to get through and get that taken care of. So, but I'll get this.
Oh, she's the one that submits the warranties?
Correct.
Okay. So I assume she won't be in until next week at some point then.
Next Monday she's due back, so hopefully we'll get that. The glass, just doing the rear glass should be a whole lot easier.
Okay.
So if that's a lot simpler to actually look up, price out and everything.
Okay.
So
sounds good. Well, I appreciate it, man.
Yep.
Thanks for helping figure it out. Well, there you have it. The rear window frame, they have, obviously because of what's going on right now, their warranty lady is only in 1 or 2 days a week. So hopefully next week they'll get that submitted and it'll be easier to get pushed through when it's just the rear window frame itself, as you probably heard. The darn windshield guy, I think with like 5,000, not even 5,000 miles on this truck, some fool in a Ford F-150 got in front of me like way too close, way too soon after he passed me. He got over and he flung up a rock and cracked my windshield. And I had the guy that does our windshields at my work come out and replace it. He does a pretty good job for us, and he got me the OEM Mopar glass and everything, and did a fairly good job, but it appears that he accidentally swapped the wiper arms, and one of them is rounded, the driver's side one is rounded, to prevent the whole hitting of the hood, and he somehow got them flip-flopped, and now they're hitting. So I should have just told them that it was from the factory wrong, never had a windshield put in this thing, and then they would have had to fix it for free, but I'm not crooked like that. Rather be honest about it. So now I gotta call the windshield company, tell them they messed up, and try and figure out the proper procedures to get them to cover my repairs. So that ought to be fun. But I think that'll wrap it up for today. I didn't want to make another video on this because it's getting pretty stale at this point, but I just kind of want to document my whole dealership experience. So we won't fault them for the whole wiper arm thing, but the whole point is that it's taking forever and warranty is just trying to fight you every step of the way, and I want you guys to see what's going on. Obviously it's going to differ by dealer, by state, all that stuff, but this is just me reporting. So, and it's not just this dealer. So there you can see the driver's side wiper arm that is more squared and rubbing is supposed to be on the passenger side, which has a little bit of contour to the wiper arm. So yeah, those got switched when my windshield got replaced. Such good luck. All right, guys, I'm actually at work right now. The windshield guy came back out, and I'm glad that he at least, tried to fix the issue, because like I said, this windshield was actually replaced last like June, somewhere between June and August of 19. And here we are, April of 20. I feel stupid for not figuring it out myself sooner. But I'm just glad he offered to, have me drop the truck off at a body shop that he knows and get the hood touched up where that is and everything. And honestly, I just don't want to deal with all that mess. They'll put the hood back on and then the body lines won't match, or they'll scratch the hood in the process of repairing it. That's just the luck that I have. So, shh, I'm filming. So that's the luck that I have. So I just told him, like, hey man, switch the wiper arms for me, which he did. As you can see, there's the mark. It's now on the passenger side because that arm used to be here. Here's the nice smooth contour so that it can clear and not hit the hood on the driver's side. So I told him, just swap the arms for me and go over to the Dodge dealer right down the road there and get me some black touch-up paint and maybe just some clear coat as well. And I'm just gonna dab it because you can't even see where it's rubbing. It's on the bottom side, and I'm pretty sure this hood is aluminum. I'll have to put a magnet to it to tell, but I'm really not too concerned. I'll touch up this and the wiper arm and we'll be good. So honestly, we're good there. He's actually really good. He's been doing this for like 20 years. My work uses him multiple times a week. He's here doing windshields on semi trucks, cars, you name it. So, I mean, it doesn't matter how good you are, you're gonna mess up eventually. So, just kind of take it with a grain of salt. If you're in the metro area, I actually do recommend him. He does a great job. Of course, I was the unlucky person this time, but the company is Eagle Auto Glass, Eagle as in the bird, and I believe the owner's name is John. So if you're in the metro area of Minnesota and you want to get your windshield done, I would say give him a try. He really pushes. Like, I got Mopar glass, he pushed through my insurance. It's like $1,000 windshield. They want to do, you know, the insurance company always wants to either repair the windshield or put a cheap replacement in there. He pushed, he got me the Mopar. So, you know, 9 times out of 10 or more, he does a really great job. So I'm just gonna touch up paint this when he gets that to me, and we're gonna wrap it up there. And now we're just waiting to hear back on the stupid rear window frame, which I will call the dealer probably on Monday and see what's going on with that. And I swear I'm gonna lose it if I have to bring it in one more time, because that's gonna really pee me off. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.